Vanakkam. Hey, welcome to my channel. Like AK Go. And today, Namma Mangalore streets lo a calm morning and tucked right into the busy city is this classy spot, Krishna Vilasa Hotel. So today we are going beyond the plate. Let's step into the soul of the place. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா as soon as you walk in, peaceful ambience, neat design, and that warm South Indian hospitality. Yo, no over the top lights, no noise, just simple, elegant vibes that make you feel at home. அப்படியே நீங்கள் உள்ளே போனீங்கன்னா டேபிள் ஸ்பேஸ்ட் அவுட் கம்ஃபர்டபிளி டெக்கர் சட்டிலாக இருக்குது வித் ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் டச்சஸ் ஹியர் அண்ட் தேர் யூ நோட்டிஸ் சம் லிட்டில் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் some brass lamps, wooden textures and muted colors, and it's like the food and the place go hand in hand, rich, calm and classy. Now this is where the magic happens. The heart of Krishna Vilasa, the kitchen. Fresh ingredients, or kacha kacha sound from the tawa. Everything made from fresh, no shortcuts, from sambar simmering to medu vada sizzling in the oil. You can actually love the feel and the process they take. And the food here is not just tasting it, thoughtfully presented, whether it is simple dosa or full thali, they serve it with care. Or veedu saapadu maadringa, but with a royal touch. So yeah guys, Krishna Vilasa isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. From the kitchen's energy to the soothing interiors, everything comes together beautifully here. So if you're in Mangalore and want food that touches your heart, both heart and stomach, inga or visit kodunga. So like, subscribe and comment கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் vlog மேங்களூரில் எங்கே போகணும்னு சொல்லுங்கள். So see you soon, bye. Like AK Go.